Uneven voltage distribution can stem from several underlying issues. Firstly, a loose neutral connection in the main disconnect box or in the wiring between the boxes can cause uneven voltage distribution. Secondly, a ground fault can result in voltage fluctuations, so check carefully for any exposed wires or damaged insulation. Thirdly, overloaded circuits can lead to voltage drops, which affects the voltage readings you see. Fourthly, faulty breakers may not trip properly, allowing current to flow unevenly, causing voltage imbalances. The presence of approximately 9 volts between neutral and any metal surfaces in the electrical box is likely due to grounding issues. This can occur if the grounding wire is not properly connected or if there is a break in the grounding system. To effectively troubleshoot these issues, consider the following steps. Firstly, check all neutral connections. Carefully tighten all neutral connections in both main disconnect boxes and the breaker panels. A loose connection can wreak havoc on voltage stability. Secondly, inspect for ground faults. Systematically look for any exposed wires or damaged insulation that could potentially cause a ground fault. Pay close attention to areas where wires pass through metal or are subject to physical stress. Thirdly, check circuit loads. Make sure that all circuits are operating within their rated capacity. Overloaded circuits can drag down voltage levels. Fourthly, test breakers. Use a circuit tester to verify that all breakers are functioning correctly. A faulty breaker can disrupt current flow and cause imbalances. Fifthly, inspect the grounding system. Check the grounding wire connections meticulously and ensure there are no breaks or loose connections. A properly functioning grounding system is crucial for safety and voltage stability. Given these potential issues, it's highly recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to address them safely and effectively. Firstly, get them to fix any loose neutral connections they find. Loose neutrals are a common source of voltage problems. Secondly, have them repair any ground faults. Ground faults can be dangerous and should be addressed promptly. Thirdly, get them to balance circuit loads. Balancing the load across circuits can improve voltage stability. Fourthly, get them to replace any faulty breakers. Faulty breakers can pose a safety risk. Fifthly, have them thoroughly inspect and repair the grounding system. A solid grounding system is essential for electrical safety. Always remember this critical safety note: turn off the electrical power completely before performing any electrical work and exercise extreme caution when dealing with electrical components.